German cars, I find, well, German derived cars, like to say it, I find they're some of the easiest to get Isofix installed in. Anyway, Isofix seat, just in case you're not familiar with this part. So you squeeze, see what that is there? Squeeze, and then push, and then you're pushing that head in until it meets this here. So a little bit better when you have two hands, but not when you're trying to hold the camera. But anyway, you push this all the way down as far as there, and you see in here there's a little anchor. Try that again. So push it in until it meets the anchor. The teeth here are just going to bite onto the anchor, and that's it. It's after biting onto it. And then similarly on this side over here, I just need to squeeze where a little red light is to move the head backwards here. So squeezing that, the head's popping out and it's ready just to slide in on top of the anchor, and that's locked into place. So the seat, then you're just going to push it. So you're just kind of pushing it back. Sorry, some fairly terrible camera work there. The top tether, which is this here, I'm just going to hook onto that. So you got two kind of almost safety belt looking things. So drag them through the headrest back here. Easier to see. I need it down the parcel shelf probably. So two of them. One of them has a little hook. Push it down. Actually much easier just when you take the parcel shelf out. So we're going to slot that in there, but obviously there's too much slack. So we have a kind of little safety belt in here. So what you can do is you can squeeze that, and you're going to pull this, and that tightens that. So obviously I can't do it with, I need three hands to do it, but I'm going to try and pull it this way, which is a little bit harder, but still works. And now that's nice and solid. So the top section of the seat is solid. To take it back out, you're going to just squeeze that safety belt there, and that'll create a bit of slack, and that allows you to squeeze this open. It pops out like so, and then same on the other side, the opposite of what we did here. So to loosen up the teeth, see the way that's green in there from when it was set, you're just going to squeeze that there. So after squeezing it, it's turned red. It allows you to take that out. And similarly then on the other side, again where it's green, we're just going to squeeze and it pops out. Anyway, hopefully it's useful. Thanks for watching.